Outdoor cooking and grill safety. Enjoy summer barbecues the safe way. Summer is the perfect time to fire up the grill and enjoy meals outdoors with family and friends. But while grilling can be fun, it also comes with risks that every outdoor cook should know. Today, we're sharing essential tips to keep your summer barbecue safe and enjoyable. Choose the right spot. Always place your grill on a flat, stable surface away from your home, deck railings, and overhanging branches. Keep the grill at least 10 feet away from any structures to reduce fire risk. Keep it clean. Grease buildup is a common cause of flare-ups. Clean your grill regularly, especially the grates and drip pans. Removing leftover grease and food prevents unexpected fires. Never leave it unattended. Whether using charcoal or gas, never leave your grill unattended while cooking. Stay close and keep kids and pets away from the grilling area to prevent accidents. Use proper tools and safety gear. Long-handled tools help keep your hands and arms safe from heat and flames. Keep a fire extinguisher, baking soda, or a bucket of sand nearby to quickly put out small flare-ups. Know how to handle gas grills. Before lighting, check the gas lines for leaks by applying soapy water and watching for bubbles. Always open the grill lid before turning on the gas to avoid gas buildup and flare-ups. Fire prevention starts with you. Make sure you have working smoke detectors in your home and never grill indoors or in enclosed spaces like garages. Keep your grill well maintained and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Liability coverage reminder. If you host barbecues frequently or rent out your home, it's important to check your homeowner's insurance. Liability coverage can protect you if someone gets injured or property damage happens due to grilling. Grilling safely ensures you and your guests enjoy every summer cookout without worry. A little preparation and care go a long way in preventing accidents and fires. At Klinger Insurance Group, we're here to help protect your home, your gatherings, and your peace of mind. Call us at 301-428-4935 today to review your insurance coverage and make sure you're fully protected this grilling season. Subscribe to our channel and like and share for more safety tips and helpful advice to keep your summer fun and safe.